In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another email to your PayPal account in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you've started using a new email address or you simply wish to have additional options for receiving notifications, this quick guide will show you how to do it in no time. First, open your web browser and head over to PayPal's homepage. If you're already a frequent PayPal user, you might have the site saved as a bookmark for quick access. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, you'll see the login button prominently on the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll need to sign in with your existing account credentials. This is your usual email or mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, PayPal may prompt you with an extra layer of security verification. Typically, you might be asked to choose between receiving a WhatsApp message or a standard text to your registered phone number for a verification code. Choose your preferred method, enter the code you receive, and you'll be taken to your account homepage. Now that you're securely logged into your PayPal account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon, which will take you to the settings. This section is essential for managing not just your email preferences, but a variety of account details. In the settings area, you'll next want to click on Account. Here, you'll see various options related to your personal information. To proceed towards adding that additional email, look for the Email section within your account settings. This section consolidates all email management tasks, including adding new email addresses or updating existing ones. Click on Emails and you'll see your current registered email addresses. To add a new one, find and click the Add button. It's typically located nearby your existing emails. Following this, another option will appear, prompting you to add email address. Click on it and you'll be given a field to type in your new email address. Enter your desired additional email carefully. Double check for any typos or errors, as an incorrect email could cause unnecessary delays or complications. Once you ensure the email address is correct, submit it, and PayPal will send a confirmation email to the new address. Be sure to check your inbox and follow the confirmation link in the email to verify the newly added address. And just like that, you've successfully added another email to your PayPal account. This new email can now be used to receive notifications and carry out account-related functions. If you encounter any issues, make sure your PayPal email is current and that you're verifying from a secure location. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick and helpful tutorials.